me now watch people manipulate evil by doing good. I'm here for a reason. Possessions and vehicles can all fade away, so do we too. And sometimes things like.
Hold on. Me have to stop this song already. I Skillibeng, man. I Skillibeng.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm from a shot at select boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. I move from
YouTube gang, you don't know about Jambisco. I'm back with another hit, another smash, another bang. And for you see from the video already, you know, people already see and see the title and know what we are dealing with today. We're back with another banger from none other than Mr. Universe himself, Mr. Coco T. Yeah, call me bring Coco T. Me get real. People prefer see if I real. Yeah, man, me are here with another hit from Mr. Skillibeng himself. Yeah, him drop another tune. What a day ago? Yeah, man, he called Torpedo. Yeah, man, and we're going to check it out today and see what go on. So you don't know how we do it over here, so Jambisco squad, Jambisco family, you don't know how we do it. If you like the song, you drop the fire emoji. And if it's trash, you drop the shit or garbage can emoji. You see me what? You don't know Skillibeng, so you don't know what it have got mad already. So we're going to check it out and see what go on. So if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And for my returning viewers and subscribers, you don't know, I appreciate the love and support. You guys been subscribing, you guys been leaving comments, y'all guys been requesting. Yo, I'm loving the feedback y'all giving me, and it's just giving me more passion, more drive to do, you know, to keep going. So yeah, please join the family and so we can keep growing. And also stay tuned for upcoming shoutouts and giveaways. Okay, the goal for the end of this year, guys, is 5K subscribers. Okay, so go ahead and tell your friends and family members about, you know, Jambisco squad and Jambisco family and what we're doing over here, man. We got the bangers over here. So tell your family to subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, tell your co-workers to subscribe, because we're growing, man. You know, 5K subscribers, guys. 5K subscribers by the end of the year. You know, shoot for the star so you land upon the moon. You already know. So yes, guys, without further ado, we're gonna jump right in. This is Skillibeng Torpedo. Let's get it.
You know, Skillibeng, sometimes as your mother, I want to stay in my place and leave and make you do your thing. Because I already know, so you can do it for your own, and you have to take your time. And a whole heap of people bad mind you, because them see your greatness. You probably not even see it. Them see it, them fear it.
Song a blast like torpedo, my flow to my soul like magneto. So me now watch people manipulate evil by doing good. I'm here for a reason. Possessions and vehicles can all fade away, so do we too. And sometimes things like.
Hold on. Me have to stop this song already. I Skillibeng, man. I Skillibeng. The man full of lyrics, the man full of rhyme, the man full of style. So you can't just play one, two, and piece. That's how it go. No, you have to pull it back up. You see me? Because it seems like you might talk to your mother upon this. You see me? Yeah, man, and the mother says sometimes, you know, she doesn't know, so you have to step back and make him man do him thing. Because the man know what I do. You see me? So we can pull it back up from the top. Because I want to hear this. How I go on.
You know, Skillibeng, sometimes as your mother, I want to stay in my place and leave and make you do your thing. Because I already know, so you can do it for your own, and you have to take your time. And a whole heap of people bad mind you, because them see your greatness. You probably not even see it.
Yeah, man, sometimes we have to step back and give you a chance to be a man. You see me and show it, you know, so do it. So we understand what you say, mum, but don't know, you don't still know say a mum, you know. But yeah, man, I choose something I have to step back and make you do everything as a man. What you must say?
Them see it, them fear it.
I really talk enough time people see your greatness and then bad mind you feel, because they know say yo, you can go forward, and then they need to say try to hold it down, they try to talk down. You know, try to discourage you, but you have to see your greatness you and know say you can do better, and you know, you just believe in yourself and do it and just go out there. You see me? But yeah, man, for real.
Song a blast like torpedo, my flow to my soul like magneto. So me now watch people.
Song them a blast like torpedo, my flow them a roll like magneto. So me know listen people,
manipulate evil by doing good. I'm here for a reason.
Say manipulate evil. And man say, oh shit. Man saying manipulate evil. Not even manipulate evil, you know. You man saying manipulate evil. I'm here for a reason. That means say man say manipulate evil. But you know, the man thinks man say manipulate. Saying manipulate evil. I mean, saying use evil and using him he there for a reason. Oh, yo, Skillibeng. Skillibeng! Yo, me chi. Me don't tell you say that. I believe you're going to be a star, not me chi. I mean, you know, say I'm going to take it far. I'm just curious to see how far you're going to take the thing, isn't it? Don't know what you're going to do.
Possessions and vehicles can all fade away, so do we too. And sometimes things last longer than a heart. I care while the sunshine and breeze blow.
I real talk, man. So things will fade away sometimes, and people too, you know. Sometimes things last longer than a heart. I real talk, man. Yo!
Ready? Is it ever ready? Do it quite legendary. Some advice never perish. Me never pathetic. Me not gonna well left a big Philippines. Me never.
Man say yo, my voice legendary. Yo, Bumbo Club, voice poetic. Him the pathetic. Say no go nowhere without. Hey, the Bumbo Club.
Ready for me spot of heaven. First me have to score like ball. I tell the flow them a chop aggressive. Get that sucker heavy. Is it? East side. Song a blast like torpedo. My flow them a soar like magneto. So me no watch people. Manipulate evil by doing good. I'm here for a reason. Possessions and vehicles can all fade away, so do we too. And sometimes things last longer than a heart. I care while the sunshine and breeze blow.
Yo, Skillibeng always full of freaking lyrics, rhymes, and style, guys. When you don't know a thing, man, you man saying manipulate evil. You man there for a reason. Things and you know time feel that we like people. Yo! Let me know the thing in the comment section. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you think it's a good song, leave the fire emoji. You know, don't know it. If it's a mad song, drop the fire emoji. If it's a, you know, if it's a hit or a miss, you know, drop. If it's a garbage, drop the shit emoji or the garbage can emoji. But so far, it's been a really dope track, guys. Let me know what you think, man, and go show the artist some support. Don't know Skillibeng, Mr. Universe himself, Mr. Coco T himself. Go show him some love if you like the track. Yeah, man, really dope track. Let's get back into it.
That's why my rhymes so prolific, line them so vivid, blind see the image. Me find out me have a vice with a privilege. So me make my mother smile when she see me. School like Balotelli flow, them a chop aggressive. Get that sucker heavy. Yeah, easy. East side. Song a blast like torpedo. My flow them a soar like magneto. So me no watch people manipulate evil by doing good. I'm here for a reason.
Man saying manipulate evil.
Possessions and vehicles.
Man saying manipulate evil by doing good. And there for a reason. Clap him on the man, clap him on the man, clap. Hey, what that we done? What that we done? Come in. Damn. My bad, you see I'm skipping thing. Hold on there.
Too, and sometimes things last longer than a heart. I care while the sunshine and breeze blow.
When people fear things, them think grimy. You understand? I'm bad mind worse than obvious, so you have to keep yourself clean at all time and pray. You understand? More time.
Yeah, man, I really talk to the lady. I say, I want to pull that up back again. I want to pull it back up. Yo.
So some men don't watch people manipulate evil by doing good. I'm here for a reason. Possessions and vehicles can all fade away, so do we too. And sometimes things last longer than a heart. I care while the sunshine and breeze blow.
Woo.
When people fear things, them think grimy. You understand? I'm bad mind worse than
I really talk when people fear things, they start thinking grimy and start bad mind. I really talk, man.
that obvious, so you have to keep yourself clean at all time and pray. You understand? More time you have to put on the weed and go on some different meds. Some clear red meds so you can see clear.
Song a blast like torpedo. My flow them a soar like magneto. So me no watch people manipulate evil by doing good. I'm here for a reason. Possessions and vehicles can all fade away, so do we too. And sometimes things last longer than a heart. I care while the sunshine and breeze blow. Ready? Is it ever ready? Do it quite legendary. Some advice never perish. Me never pathetic. Me not gonna well left a big Philippines. Me not ready for me spot of heaven. First me have to score like Balotelli flow. Them a chop aggressive. Get that sucker heavy.
Regin, Skillibeng, dog. Yeah, my chi. I believe right, my chi. Want you take it to this blood class star on the moon in the dark. Skilly! Yeah, hear me, my chi? To the blood clot moon and beyond, my chi. You You see me? I gotta be up there with the greats and cartel and them man, you know, I'm telling you to keep on the chuck and the dog. You see me? I tell them man, just keep a respect and manners and the gear me G and just keep doing good and keep your heart pure me G. You see me now when they come corrupt you. You see me, you're Skilly, you're gone, Skilly. Yeah, if you watch my video, Skillibeng, you're gone, you're boss already, you're destined for greatness, my G. I just you if you go take it, my G. Trust me. Trust me. Let's go take it. Take it.
East side.
My youth, I believe in you more than I believe in anything. You may tell you? I believe in you. I know say you're a star. You understand? You have to just believe in yourself. With no doubt. Every day. You have to understand, sir. Enemy them will watch. You understand? Them see your talent. Them see your power. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Them see your power and you have to be ready.
We're going to cover your progress. You see me? Skilly, I don't know you, J, but I rate the eye. You see me? I say I rate the eye music. You see me? And you're greatness with you, J. You see me? From the way you flow and everything, you're greatness with you. You see me? I reach you the stars and beyond. You see me? I'm going there. I'm rise. I'm new to you too. I'm just growing. I'm just rise. Because I'm going to reach greatness too. I'm on a mission too, you know. You see me? I love the YouTube thing, you know. I love the YouTube thing. I'm not going to lie. I love doing YouTube. I've been doing it for a short while, but something I always knew I would love doing. And I started doing it and I was great. I love doing it. So, and I really, you know, so we just want to take it to stars. I want to see Skilly take it to the stars. You see me? So, guys, once again, let me know what y'all think. Really dope track to me. I really love singer. You see me? Really dope, full of metaphor. Mummy, I drop gems. Skilly, I drop gems. Lyrics and style and everything. Nice song. You see me? Yeah, man, I rate it, man. So let me know what you guys think. And if you guys like it, go show the artist some support. You see me? At Skillibeng and Skillibeng Viva. Go show him some love and making sure he can keep dropping the bangers, man. You see me? And let me know what y'all think in the comment section. If fire, drop the fire emoji. If it's garbage, drop the garbage emoji or shit emoji. But I already know what y'all think. This is a dope ass track. But you don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. For my new viewers, if you're first time viewing the channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload it. I would really appreciate it. And from our returning viewers and subscribers, you already know we're a family over here. We're growing. We're getting better. We're loving the feedback y'all giving me. I got requests and shoutouts and giveaways coming, so stay tuned, guys. The goal, remember, the goal for this year is 5K subscribers at the end of the year. Help me get to 5K subs, so even better bangers and guests and all. I got a lot planned in store, so please subscribe and turn on notification bells. You know, I got a lot planned for y'all. I got a lot of giveaways to come give to y'all. And I want to, you know, I want us to grow over here, man, and get better. You know, I want to give back and I want to, trust me, I got a lot planned. So just subscribe, tell your friends, your co-workers about us. We're going to live over here. We're going to be the latest channel on YouTube. So once again, Jambisco squad, Jambisco family. So boy, Jambisco, I was here in another hit, another smash, another banger. Until next time, stay safe. I love you guys. And I'm out.